Hey friends, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're having a look at the Mi Band 6 after 6 months of use. So overall, the Mi Band 6 after 6 months of use has been really good. The condition is really good and the battery life has been nothing but exceptional. So talking about the features, with the latest updates that have come out for the Mi Band 6, we've had some addition of some new features in the Mi Band 6. So looking at the app gallery, I'm just going to explain some of the features. So we still don't have the all-day blood oxygen monitoring system that they said would be coming pretty soon, which is something that is a disappointment. But overall, the blood oxygen monitoring system of the Mi Band 6 is still quite good and is still one of the best that I have used. Although you cannot exactly trust a smart band for your health features, you might want to go to the hospital if you feel yours is a little bit too low. The heart rate monitor is also something that is really good with this device. So with the sleep monitoring system, you now have the ability to look at your data from your smart band itself, which is something that is totally amazing. Before the update came, you could not look at your data on smart band. You have to look at your phone to get the data. So that's something that is new on the Mi Band 6, or a new update on the Mi Band 6. The notifications are still pretty good. You cannot reply to messages on the notifications yet, but you can view most of your messages from notification. For the workout mode, nothing new has been added to the workout mode on the Mi Band 6. It's still basically the same workout modes that you get once you get your device. So there's nothing new when it comes to the workout mode. So you have your stress monitoring system, your breathing exercises. So then China, the new addition is the support for WeChat Pay. So I'm pretty sure this will not be anything interesting for people in other countries or people using the international version. So that's basically it. So my thoughts on the Mi Band 6 after 6 months of use. Overall, it has been pretty good. It is definitely reliable. It is a reliable fitness band. It's something that you can use over a long period of time and something that is definitely exceptional when you use it. It's one of the devices that I love the most. I have the Huawei Band 6. I also have the Honor Band 6. I have the Huawei Band 6 Pro, but still the Mi Band 6 has been the best one that I've used and has definitely been my go-to. The interchangeable straps is something that I really like. You can customize the straps to anything you like and you can change it to any type of design that you feel like. So that's something that is really good. You can have the opportunity to choose different watch faces and watch faces that you want. You can customize it to your own personal picture or any other pictures that you want. So coming to the watch faces, I've actually heard some things about the watch faces from some comments that I've had on the channel, that they are not able to view their watch faces on the application on the Mi Fit app. So for me personally, I have not had this problem. I have been able to change the watch faces easily. So I would advise probably you go to the Xiaomi store if you have a Xiaomi store close to you for them to try and rectify what the problem is. It might be a software problem after you completed the update, and it might also be a problem from the application itself. So you might have to check that out by yourself. Overall, the Mi Band 6 definitely has been one of the best devices that have come out this year from Xiaomi in terms of smart bands. It's definitely one of the leading smart bands that you can get this year, and it's definitely one that I would recommend for anyone to pick up. You can pick up the Mi Band 6 pretty much anywhere right now. I think it's available internationally, so you can pick it up for any flagship Xiaomi store, or you can pick it up online from different retailers. But just definitely be sure that you pick it from a retailer that you really love. Overall, I would still recommend the Mi Band 6 until the Mi Band 7 comes out, because the Mi Band 6 is still one of the best devices that you can ever pick. There are very few downsides to this device. It has a lot of benefit for a lot of people, especially when you think about something like the price. The price range is actually pretty good for students and pretty good for people on a low budget, instead of picking up one of the more expensive Galaxy watches or the Apple Watch. So this is just my overview of the Mi Band 6 after 6 months of use. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.